Hey everybody, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with a Dollar General haul, a couple household, and a couple of necessities, and then some crafty stuff. So, I picked up command hooks. The closer it gets to the holidays, the more I find that I need these. These were definitely for the office. I needed to put these on a file on an area that's going to hold clipboards. So that's why I have these. These I bought for a purpose? I don't remember. It'll come to me. Trust me. Then I picked up these. They were in the clearance section for $1.50. And Lord knows, come the holidays when your hands are always in that dishwater. Not that I have nails anymore, but I do like them. All right. These I'm so excited to try on. They're men's sleep pants. I bought them for myself in a medium. They were, I think they were like $8. Because if I showed you my sleep pants that I wear right now, they're literally so comfortable that there's hardly any material left. Do you know what I mean? Like, you have like this one perfect piece of clothing that you just never want to part with. They're lightweight. They're really not wintry. I liked it because they had the real tree pattern on them. And it's hunting season here. And if you're not a hunter or you don't believe in it, I apologize, but we don't hunt for the sport, we hunt for the food. We actually put them in the freezer, and it saves not only my family, but my son's family a lot of money. Then I picked up, now on this table that I'm at, I have a very orangey burgundy checkered, but then I have a leaf, and I just sometimes think that they're fighting each other because they're such powerful patterns. So I thought, and this is wipeable, and this is the 60 by 102. And I want this for Thanksgiving because when everybody gets something on the table, the pretty stuff will come off, and then the stuff that's cleanable will go on. So thank you, Dollar Tree. I think this was $8. Usually they have their prices on it. Pretty sure that this was, oh, this was Walmart. Oh, this was Walmart. I think it was $5. Yeah, I think that was $5 at Walmart. Oh my God, I'm sorry. Okay, then I had to pick up 2 of these cute little gift bags. They're 2 count for $2.50. I love things like this. And I always say I'm going to make things like this, but when you can buy them for $2.50, and then I saved the best for last again. Yeah, I did. Beth, if you're watching, I'm sure you'll get to see this. I found them in the big pattern. So now I have 2 big and some small. Don't you love it? Absolutely love this. So now I have both the big and the small. Found them. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And I will see you all real soon.